Hey, this is Jason with Jdeation, and I wanted to show off this enclosure. This is the budbox 32026. It is our most premium enclosure. It's very strong plastic, has a nice rubber seal all the way around. It's completely waterproof on all sides, and it is just a really nice enclosure. On the back side, you've got, real mounting holes that allow you to mount this thing without penetrating through the enclosure to ensure that it's waterproof. Same thing on the inside, so that you can mount Jdeation enclosure kit, and this is our budbox 32026 enclosure kit as well. You'll see it is laser cut to exactly fit inside of this enclosure. In this one we've got some HP common slot power supplies and all of our equipment on top. You can put some equipment on bottom as well, and all of this is customizable using the Jdeation designer. So this is a really nice enclosure, and I just want to remind everybody, we are coming down to the wire. There's a very good chance that Jdeation is going to stop fabrication on November 1st, so I can focus on my own show. So I just want to make sure everybody get your orders in quickly. I do not want anybody to be left out at the 11th hour. Thanks.